how to turn on or turn off Gboard and voice typing personalization on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on Gboard. Scroll down to and click on Privacy. After click on Privacy, you will see Personalize for you is here. If you want to turn off personalization, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see personalization is turn off. So if you want to turn on personalization, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see personalization is turn on. You will turn on or turn off personalization from here. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Gboard and voice typing personalization on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.